So once again, I'm going to start with what I know I want to be a color. And I know the leaves and the stem are going to be green. So I'm just going to start with those. This is transparent paint. There's no white in this paint, right? And this, because it's transparent, it's going to let the black show through. So it doesn't matter if it gets into the crevices. Although, remember, the yellow always has some white in it. So as long as it's thin, it's going to work out. But if it's thick, it's going to cover, it's going to cover over things. So you don't have to be too careful. I'm just going to paint that. So paint removal is something else you can do with your brush besides just laying down the paint. And some of you might be watercolor painters, and you know that about paint, how you can lift the paint. Well, you can do that with transparent paint as well. So let me see if I can just take the paint out of my brush, clean my brush, and maybe I'll just lift this section right here to make that a little more white. And same with this one.